What's going on, guys? It's JC Tech and Finance here. I finally got my hands on the 2021 Apple TV 4K streaming device. Besides unboxing it, I wanted to give you my thoughts and impressions on what could be the best standalone streaming device out there. Yes, many of you probably already have smart TVs which have the capability to download all the streaming apps you could possibly want. However, the Apple TV has a lot of extra features which could just make it worth it. If you want to find out more, stay tuned and we will be right back after this. Welcome back. Now let's get straight to the unboxing. So, in the box, we have the Apple TV, the remote, the printed documentation, the Lightning to USB cable, and the power cord. Let's put the box to the side. The remote definitely feels sturdier than prior remotes that I've had. If you want to learn more about this redesigned remote, I'm going to be releasing a short video about it in a few days. Now let's peel the sticker off from the Apple TV. So the Apple TV is pretty lightweight. It sort of looks like a miniaturized Mac Mini in jet black with the Apple logo on top. Size-wise, it is 3.9 times 3.9 times 1.4 inches. It also has an HDMI 2.1A port, a power port, and a gigabit Ethernet port. For now, the primary capability of the HDMI 2.1A port is to have it support eARC to the stereo HomePod. In addition, it also supports Wi-Fi 6, which helps to future-proof this device. Now let's talk a bit more about its features. It has the A12 Bionic chip. This allows the Apple TV to support more realistic gameplay with smoother motion and greater responsiveness. It is also one of the most powerful chips in a TV streaming device. It supports 4K resolution up to 60 frames per second, as well as Dolby Vision and high frame rate HDR. This allows the Apple TV 4K device to deliver brighter, more realistic colors and greater detail. Fast action sports look quite smooth. It supports Dolby Atmos sound up to 7.1.4, which means you can immerse yourself in three-dimensional audio. If you want to learn more about the HomePod, you can see the link in the upper left corner. Now, what really sets it apart is the premium interface. It runs Apple TV OS, which gives you access to Apple TV Plus, which is Apple's own streaming service, Apple's Fitness Plus software, and Apple Arcade. The Apple TV 4K is powered by Apple TV OS, which gives you access to the App Store with thousands of top sports, fitness, kids apps, and games. This includes all of your favorite apps such as Netflix, Hulu, Disney, and HBO Max. You can also activate Siri using the remote. You can ask for a movie, show, genre, actor, or song that you may love. In addition, you can control the Apple TV using the iPhone, and at this point, there are very few people who don't have an iPhone. Another added feature of the remote is that it can control your TV using the HDMI CEC option. And in addition, it also has no ads in the user interface, which if you ever use a Samsung TV, you know that this is quite a relief. Some other features include the Apple TV screensaver, which provides long, high-quality drone shots, which can be very relaxing, and Apple TV 4K's ability to output spatial audio to an Atmos-enabled receiver. In addition, you can use the AirPods Pro or AirPods Max for a theater-like experience. You can calibrate your TV using the Apple TV 4K and iPhone to automatically watch this video if you want to learn more. It supports multiple users, so recommendations for up next lists, video and music collections are more tailored to each user. The HomeKit support makes the Apple TV 4K a great smart home hub. You can share movies, photos, music from an iPhone or iPad to your Apple TV 4K. It also has a great SharePlay feature where you can start a FaceTime call on your iPhone or iPad and add Apple TV to include the big screen in the shared viewing experience. Now, all roses have some thorns, so what can make this better? It would be great if the Apple TV could come with an HDMI cable. It's 2022, and the fact that you still need to buy one separately is ridiculous. And yes, the Apple TV is expensive when compared to other streaming devices. It starts at $180 for 32 gigabytes. And $199 for the 64 gigabyte model. Keep in mind that you don't really need 64 gigabytes of storage, as the storage isn't used to save media, it's used to download apps. Lately though, there have been amazing deals for this streaming device. Amazon has offered $50 off from the Apple TV, and even Apple has gotten into the deal space and started offering $50 gift cards with each Apple TV. You do pay for privacy. Many of the cheaper streaming devices sell your data and constantly put ads in front of your face. Now, in closing, I would definitely recommend the Apple TV 4K device if you're in the market for a streaming device which does not track every single thing that you watch. If you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button, and if you want to keep up with the reviews, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. This is JC Tech and Finance signing out.